Part 3. Launching your ChatGPT-Powered business. Step 13. Customizing ChatGPT for your business. Customizing ChatGPT is a pivotal step in crafting your brand identity. It involves aligning ChatGPT's responses with your brand's tone and values. Start by tailoring ChatGPT's language to reflect your brand's personality consistently. This ensures that every interaction with ChatGPT mirrors your brand's unique character. Next, define specific responses for ChatGPT in various customer interactions. These responses should convey your brand's messaging cohesively. This consistency reinforces your brand identity. Additionally, train ChatGPT on industry-specific terminology and relevant topics. This customization enhances its ability to engage effectively with customers. Step 14. Navigating legal and ethical considerations. Understanding the legal and ethical aspects of AI usage in your business is essential. Begin by grasping the legal implications of integrating AI like ChatGPT. Comply with data privacy regulations to protect user data and build trust. Implement policies and guidelines for ChatGPT usage to ensure ethical standards are met. Address concerns like bias, discrimination, and fairness to create an inclusive experience. Consult legal experts if needed to ensure that your ChatGPT-powered interactions comply with legal and ethical guidelines. Step 15. Crafting a marketing plan. Developing a comprehensive marketing plan that integrates ChatGPT is crucial for success. Identify your target audience and tailor your messaging to educate them about ChatGPT's benefits. Communicate how ChatGPT enhances their experience. Leverage various marketing channels like social media, email, and content marketing to promote ChatGPT-powered solutions. Maintain consistent branding across all touchpoints. Step 16. Establishing a user-friendly platform. Your platform should be optimized for user-friendly ChatGPT interactions. Ensure that your website or application offers intuitive interfaces for ChatGPT engagement. Consider usability testing to identify and improve user experience. Step 17. Creating engaging content. Content complements your ChatGPT-powered business and communicates your brand identity. Produce valuable content in various forms, such as blog posts, articles, or videos. Use ChatGPT to assist in content creation by generating ideas and outlines. Ensure your content aligns with your brand's values and resonates with your target audience. Step 18. Launching your ChatGPT business. Strategically launch your ChatGPT-powered business. Consider a soft launch to gather initial feedback and identify areas for improvement. Promote your solutions through marketing campaigns, utilizing the plan you developed in Step 15. Monitor the launch closely, collect user feedback, and make necessary adjustments to enhance the user experience. By following these steps, you'll create a ChatGPT-powered business that reflects your brand's identity, adheres to legal and ethical standards, engages your audience effectively, and successfully launches in the market.